Good day, everyone. Our topic for now is about conic section parabola, where we will discuss about how to find the equation of parabola having its vertex at the origin. So before we can get the equation, we graph first. So if the graph is open upward, the equation is x squared is equals to 4ay. And if the graph is open downward, the equation will be x squared is equal to negative 4ay. And if the graph is open to the right, the equation will be y squared is equals to 4ax. And if the graph is open to the left, the equation will be y squared is equals to negative 4ax. Since we know the graph, now let's try. Find the equation of parabola having its vertex at the origin and the focus are number 1, 4 to 0, and number 2 is 0 to negative 5. For the number 1, which is vertex at the origin and focus is 4 to 0, so we must graph first. So this will be the graph. Now when we are going to graph, always remember that focus is always inside from the vertex. Well, vertex is 0 to 0, which is origin, and the focus is 4 to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to 0. So since it is focus, it is the vertex, and the focus will inside the vertex. The graph will be like this. The parabola will be like this. Sorry for the drawing, but like this. Now, since the graph is open to the right, like this, we will apply the equation y squared is equals to 4ax. So, now, how do we get a? We will get a because a is the distance between the vertex from the focus. So this is the a, the distance between the vertex from the focus. We back to our graph. So a is the distance between the focus and the vertex. So focus 1, 2, 3, 4. So our a is 4. A is 4. Since we already know that a is 4, now we proceed. Y squared is equals to 4ax. Y squared is equals to 4, and a is 4 times 4x. Y squared is equals to 16x. So this is our equation of parabola having the vertex at the origin, the focus at the 4, 0. So here. So number 2 will be the vertex at the origin and the focus at 0, negative to negative 5. So if you graph, it looks like this. So it is open downward since the focus is 0, negative 5. So this is focus, the vertex open downward. Since it is open downward, the equation we will apply is x squared is equals to negative 4ay. And our a is 5. Since the a is the distance between the focus and the vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our a is 5. Since we get the a, we already know the a. We now proceed. So x squared is equals to negative 4ay. X squared is equals to negative 4. A is 5 times 5y. So x squared is equals to negative 20y. So this is our equation of parabola having the vertex at the origin and the focus at the 0 to negative 5. So for more further understanding, I give you another example. So it looks like this example. So thank you and God bless.